के दीप जलें, घर आंगन में खुशहाली हो, बड़ों का आशीर्वाद, अपनों का प्यार मिले, ऐसी आपकी मंगलमय दिवाली हो. A very cheerful morning, everyone. I, Anjali Korera, welcome you all for the special assembly of Children's Day and Diwali. Now let me call upon Suhani ma'am to present a small speech.
In a world where evil forces are making more noise than the good-natured, silent majority, Diwali celebration holds a special value in 21st century. It not only celebrates good over evil, but it also celebrates India's rich tradition of following the right path after defeating all the odds. It is the festival of lights that brings good luck, happiness and prosperity to all. The lighted diyas not only illuminate the environment but also shake away the darkness of poverty and ignorance. It falls in the month of Kartik, in the Hindu calendar, where goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha are worshipped on this day of Diwali. Is how far are we able to understand and appreciate the real fact that we are moving away from the real spirit of the Festa of Lights. We also need to pay attention towards the damage done by the crackers to the environment. Crackers contain toxic compounds like cadmium and copper, which cause a lot of change in the weather. These particles mix with the fog in the environment and becomes smog, causing asthma, headache, bronchitis and running nose. Now, still the decision is with you all, whether you want to burst the crackers and cause more pollution or harm to the environment, or you still want to have a Diwali with no crackers. But wait, I still understand your excitement being children, your excitement level regarding crackers. But if you still want to burst the crackers, here are few do's and don'ts which I would like to suggest on this day of Diwali. Dear children, let an adult always supervise you while you are bursting the crackers. Keep a fire extinguisher or a bucket of water nearby to extinguish any incipient fire. Use fireworks only outdoors. Light only one firecracker at a time. Move away quickly before they burst. Wear close-fitting clothes of thick material instead of flowing garments. Now, here are some don'ts which you need to follow. Do not put fireworks in any container to ignite. Never ignite fireworks while holding them in your hand. Put them down, then ignite them and walk away. Never relight a firecracker which has not burned properly. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then soak it in a bucket of water. So, it's a festival of lights, and with all the diyas lighting up your home and crackers boosting your level of excitement, don't ignore the simple steps of caution. Concluding here, on behalf of the management of MIRC Primary School, respected Principal Ma'am, our teaching staff and non-teaching staff would like to wish all our dear parents and our lovely children a happy and a joyous Diwali.
Good morning, dear children. This is your host Pallavi ma'am welcomes you all on behalf of MIRC Primary School. As you all know, Diwali celebration has already started and you all must be busy in celebrating it. But children, do you know why we celebrate Diwali? The answer hidden in our history. Children, long time back when Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya, the people of Ayodhya became so happy that they drew Rangoli in front of their house to welcome, 'Welcome, 'Rama, 'Sita and 'Lakshmana. 'Lakshmana, 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 'Sita and 'Lakshmana. The rangoli gives a really happiness to you all. Then they decorate their houses. Then they lit up diyas as a significance of good over evil. Then they cook lot of delicious food to offer it Rama. As you also know, Mama cooks very delicious food in Diwali and you all enjoyed it. Yeah. Since then, we are celebrating Diwali with same enthusiasm and full anticipation. But children, don't burst crackers as it pollutes our environment and could be a fatal mean of spreading coronavirus. So, have a happy Diwali.